What if I told you that the smallest iPad is about to become Apple's most powerful weapon? For years, the iPad mini has been a massive fan favorite. People absolutely love it for its size. It is compact, it is light, it easily fits right in one hand and you can carry it literally anywhere. It is the perfect companion for mobile gaming, reading your favorite books, watching movies, and even getting some quick work done on the go. But despite all that love, there has always been one massive complaint holding it back: the display. Yes, the current iPad mini still uses a standard, traditional LCD panel, and frankly in 2026 that just feels outdated. When you compare it to the stunning OLED displays on newer iPads and iPhones, the mini simply does not look premium anymore. The colors are decent but not amazing. The blacks are not truly black. The brightness is fine, but it definitely does not reach the next level. For a device that sits comfortably in Apple's premium lineup, users have been waiting years for something better. Now that long wait might finally be over. According to the latest insider leaks and industry reports, Apple is preparing a brand new iPad mini with a groundbreaking OLED display. This could easily be the single biggest upgrade in the entire history of the mini lineup. If these rumors turn out to be true, everything about your daily viewing experience is going to change forever. OLED technology means much deeper blacks because individual pixels can turn off completely. It means richer colors that truly pop off the screen. It means significantly higher contrast and vastly better peak brightness. Watching your favorite movies would instantly feel more immersive. Fast-paced gaming would look sharper, clearer, and more vibrant than ever before. Even simple daily tasks like browsing the web and reading articles would feel incredibly premium. But the news gets even more exciting than that. Some reports strongly suggest Apple may use a tandem OLED panel. This is highly similar to the cutting-edge technology found in the latest premium iPad Pro models. Tandem OLED is not just your regular, everyday OLED screen. It is significantly brighter, it is much more energy efficient, and it lasts a lot longer without wearing down. On the current iPad Pro, this exact technology delivered unbelievable brightness levels while maintaining stunning color accuracy. If Apple successfully brings that exact same technology down to the iPad mini, it would completely revolutionize how people look at small tablets. Imagine holding a super compact device in your hand that delivers near pro-level display quality. That would be an absolutely massive leap forward for mobile technology. And the upgrades do not even stop there. The new iPad mini could also finally receive ProMotion technology. That means you get up to a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Right now, the standard mini is strictly limited to a basic 60Hz. It works fine for casual use, but once you experience 120Hz, it is almost impossible to go back to anything less. Scrolling through your feeds becomes instantly smoother. System animations feel twice as fast. Gaming feels incredibly responsive under your fingers. Even simple navigation gestures feel entirely fluid. On a small device like the Mini, where people constantly use it for intense gaming and long reading sessions, this specific upgrade would make a world of difference. Think about fast-paced action games running on a bright OLED display at a full 120Hz. Think about flipping through digital book pages, scrolling social media, or editing your photos with ultra-smooth motion. It would finally make the iPad mini feel truly modern and completely future-ready. Of course, raw power is just as important as a beautiful display. The current iPad mini already runs on the highly capable A17 Pro chip, which is undeniably powerful for its compact size. It handles heavy gaming, intense multitasking, and demanding creative apps without even breaking a sweat. But Apple never stands still for long. Rumors strongly suggest the next generation Mini could make a massive jump to an unannounced A19 Pro or even an A20 Pro chip. This upgrade would bring serious performance gains to the palm of your hand. Why exactly does this matter so much? Because Apple is pushing incredibly hard into advanced AI features with Apple Intelligence. These modern features require massive amounts of raw processing power. They need faster local processing and much better power efficiency. A next-generation A-series chip would guarantee that the iPad mini can handle complex future software updates smoothly for many years to come. It would also heavily boost overall gaming performance and make the compact device even more capable for professional creative work. Now, some tech enthusiasts wonder if Apple might put a powerful M-series desktop chip inside the Mini. However, that scenario seems highly unlikely. The iPad mini is simply too small. It has very limited internal space for thermal cooling and a large battery. While M-series chips are incredibly powerful, they also require much more aggressive thermal management to stay cool. Therefore, it makes perfect logical sense for Apple to continue utilizing advanced, mobile-first A-series chips. These chips balance immense power and battery efficiency perfectly for a portable device of this specific size. And then we have to talk about the system memory. Recent reports indicate that Apple could realistically increase the built-in RAM to a massive 12 GB. That is a gigantic jump for a small tablet. More RAM translates directly to vastly superior multitasking. It means you can keep dozens of your favorite apps open simultaneously in the background. Switching back and forth between complex tasks becomes completely seamless. Heavy AI features can run locally and much more efficiently without lagging the system. And overall, the entire device feels incredibly fast for a much longer period of time. It also guarantees extended software support from Apple, which is something dedicated users care about deeply when investing their hard-earned money. All of these massive upgrades combined suggest something very important about Apple's future strategy. Apple may absolutely no longer treat the iPad mini as just a cheaper, smaller secondary option in their lineup. Instead, it could easily become a true, uncompromising premium device in a highly compact form factor. This will be a small tablet that refuses to compromise on display quality, raw performance, or cutting-edge features. And for millions of users worldwide, that is exactly the dream device they have been waiting for. In my honest opinion, an OLED iPad mini with Pro Motion and a next-gen chip is an absolute game changer. For years, tech fans have begged for a Pro version of the small iPad, and this layout sounds exactly like the ultimate portable powerhouse we deserve. It perfectly bridges the gap between portability and extreme premium performance. If you want the absolute best display and fastest speeds without carrying a giant, heavy slab of glass, this upcoming iPad mini will easily be the best tablet on the market. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into the latest tech.